Not sure if those are crows or not, but we're making plenty of noise. So I want to catch them flying while I could. There were 4. I think I'm only seeing 3 at times. Not sure what all those were. Sparrows, maybe? Oh, that extra flock of birds was nice. The first 3 or 4 that I started videoing are gone. So I'll just focus in on the... Oh, there's one. The Lone Ranger. It's gonna go flying behind me with the luck I got. Are there any more up here? Let me see if I could turn around and get that one. Oh, it's over the house now. Oh, there they are. Oh gosh, sorry, I didn't mean to get the house in there. I was trying to focus on the birds, which are now out of my sight over the house there. It's really blowing up now. Excuse me. Hello, dogs. Hey there, Pepper. Everybody have a great day, and I'm going to focus in on the clouds a minute. It is blowing up a little bit. Maybe we'll get rain this afternoon. Clouds and treetops. Glad I'm getting all these birds today. Dog picking at their snack and water that we got out. Have a great day, everybody. God bless. Bye.